At Klean Industries, all waste has value. The KleanLoop, built on blockchain technology, will create a secure marketplace for the buying and selling of commodities and services surrounding recycling and waste management. All KleanLoop users have access to accurate real-time industry data and smart contracts for quick and credible transactions with efficient payment options. Meet Arnold, the brain behind the KleanLoop. With the use of artificial intelligence machine learning, he solves your waste and recycling problems. This innovative and easy-to-use interface allows all users to navigate the KleanLoop. Arnold's photo recognition and text input utilities identify, calculate volume, and evaluates all kinds of waste, resources, and commodities. Arnold also makes sure that all transactions are incentivized and that KleanLoop participants are rewarded. Let's say you're a large Korean television manufacturer that produces over 6 tons of high-density polyethylene scrap plastic a day. Unfortunately, as much as you try to be efficient within your production lines, 44 tons of plastic needs to be disposed of every week. You have to landfill or recycle it, which costs money. But either way, it has to leave your site. You need a better solution. As a KleanLoop user, you know that all waste has value, so let's ask Arnold who wants it and how much it's worth. You keep very accurate records of how much plastic waste you produce every day, so you choose the text input utility to enter your waste items. All you have to do is upload your spreadsheet into the text utility. Arnold then searches the KleanLoop for the best possible recycling solutions. Arnold gives you 3 options: self-delivery, pickup service, or clean bid. Arnold can find some clean coin for your waste plastics, so you select clean bid and set the bid time to 5 days with no minimum. Arnold sends the bid out to potential buyers on the KleanLoop. A Japanese plastic pyrolysis facility is located. The pyrolysis facility quickly responds and agrees to Arnold's valuation of 3,300 clean coin and to pick up your 44 tons of HDPE in 2 business days. The pyrolysis facility has a mid-distance shipper they use for small but frequent container shipments and sends them the bill of lading through the KleanLoop. They arrange payment and time of pickup. When the shipping company shows up at your factory, each driver opens the DApp and confirms the order details. Arnold confirms the items for the shipping service, and each driver presses accept. The 2 containers of HDPE are loaded and shipped to the pyrolysis facility. Upon arrival, the shipment is weighed and confirmed by the Japanese plastic pyrolysis plant and is shared with Arnold. The plastic is then unloaded and set aside for processing with other sources of feedstock located at the same facility. The plastic is then shredded and blended, then pelletized and fed into the preheater, which liquefies the plastic on its way to the pyrolysis reactor, where it is gasified and distilled into diesel fuel, producing carbon char and co-generating steam and electricity. The recovered diesel fuel is then sold back to the shipping company as an environmentally friendly marine fuel. The electricity is sold to the local utility as green power, and the carbon char is sold to the local steel manufacturer, all via the KleanLoop, which creates a circular economy. Now that everything has been confirmed by Arnold, the exchange of clean coin can now proceed. The pyrolysis plant transfers 3,300 clean coin to your factory wallet, and 2,000 clean coin is transferred to the shipper from the pyrolysis plant. From the products produced by the Japanese pyrolysis plant, the secondary exchanges are initiated with the other established KleanLoop users. The pyrolysis plant receives 2,800 clean coin from the electricity produced. It also receives 3,400 clean coin from the shipping company who purchased the recovered diesel fuel, along with an additional 2,100 clean coin for the carbon char. And last but not least, the validator earns 136 clean coin for validation of all transactions and is added to the blockchain. And there we have it, another quick, efficient, and secure international waste exchange successfully completed on the KleanLoop. Arnold is now ready to provide another resource recovery solution.